Did you know that summer travel is expected to hit an all-time high in 2024, with millions more people booking trips compared to last year? Yeah, it's true. Everyone seems to be itching to get out there and explore, so let's dive into some amazing destinations. Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Summer is just around the corner, and you know what that means. Time to plan your next epic vacation. Whether you're dreaming of relaxing on a sun-kissed beach, hiking through breathtaking landscapes, or immersing yourself in vibrant city life, Summer 2024 has it all. So grab your travel notebooks because today, I'm super excited to share with you the top 5 summer vacation destinations that you absolutely need to consider this year. Let's get started. Now I totally get it. With so many incredible places to choose from, picking the perfect summer vacation spot can feel a little overwhelming. You've got everything from tropical beaches to majestic mountains, buzzing cities to tranquil hideaways. And let's not forget about balancing your budget, navigating travel restrictions, and matching the vibe with your personal style. It's a lot, right? But don't worry, I've got your back! Let's narrow it down and find the destination that perfectly fits your summer vibe. We're diving into, but before we jet off, hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you don't miss out on our weekly travel adventures. Alright, let's jump into the fun part. Here are my top picks for summer 2024 destinations. Bali, Indonesia. Imagine this. You wake up to the sound of gentle waves, the scent of frangipani flowers filling the air, and a warm breeze rustling through the palm trees. In Bali, your days are filled with adventure and relaxation, surfing the crystal-clear waves, exploring ancient temples like Uluwatu and Tanah Lot, or just chilling by an infinity pool overlooking lush rice terraces. And the best part? Ending the day with a fresh coconut in hand as you watch the sun set behind the ocean horizon. Pure bliss. Santorini, Greece. Next, let's fly over to the beautiful island of Santorini. Picture this. You're walking through narrow, cobblestone streets lined with whitewashed buildings, their blue domes contrasting against the endless blue of the Aegean Sea. As the sun begins to set, you find a cozy taverna with a stunning view, where you sip on a glass of local wine, enjoying the most beautiful sunset you've ever seen. And don't even get me started on the food. Fresh seafood, tangy feta cheese, and olives that melt in your mouth. Santorini is a dream come true for a romantic escape or a serene retreat. Costa Rica. For all you nature lovers and adventure seekers out there, Costa Rica is calling your name. Envision yourself ziplining through dense rainforests, spotting vibrant wildlife like sloths and toucans, and soaking in natural hot springs beneath a canopy of tropical trees. Or perhaps you're more in the mood for a day of surfing on pristine beaches, followed by a hike up to the Arenal volcano, where you can catch a glimpse of its majestic peak. Costa Rica offers the perfect mix of adrenaline-pumping activities and serene natural beauty. New Orleans, USA. Now, let's head to the vibrant city of New Orleans. Known for its lively music scene, rich history, and mouth-watering cuisine, New Orleans is a cultural feast for the senses. Imagine yourself strolling through the French Quarter, the sound of jazz filling the air, as you stop to grab some freshly made beignets and a cup of chicory coffee. Later, you join a second-line parade, dancing in the streets with locals and fellow travelers alike, feeling the city's energy pulsing through you. And when night falls, the city lights up with an electric atmosphere that you just have to experience to believe. The Amalfi Coast, Italy. And now, the pièce de résistance, the Amalfi Coast. Imagine this. You're cruising along the coastline, the azure sea stretching out beside you, while charming villages clinging to the cliffs above seem to welcome you with open arms. You spend your days exploring the colorful streets of Positano, sipping limoncello in Amalfi, and taking a boat ride to the breathtaking island of Capri. And every meal is an event. Fresh seafood, handmade pasta, and decadent desserts, all enjoyed with a view that will leave you speechless. The Amalfi Coast isn't just a destination, it's an experience that will stay with you forever. And there you have it. The ultimate summer vacation destination for 2024 is the Amalfi Coast in Italy. Whether you're lounging on a sun-drenched terrace with a glass of wine or exploring hidden coves by boat, every moment here feels like a postcard come to life. Trust me, the memories you'll make here will be etched in your mind long after the summer ends. So those are my top picks for summer 2024 destinations. From the serene beaches of Bali to the magical landscapes of the Amalfi Coast, each spot offers something unique and unforgettable. Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, or a little bit of both, there's a perfect place waiting for you this summer. Now I want to hear from you. What's your favorite summer destination? Or where are you planning to go this year? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video and want more travel inspiration, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and check out my other travel guides. Thanks for watching and happy travels, everyone!